Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I had not been back to Afghanistan since we left as children in 1980, and after 44 years, I returned for the first time. The most meaningful part of this journey was serving people. And last year, many of you gave with sincerity and trust. Here is your impact. The Prophet ﷺ said, I and the one who sponsors an orphan will be like this in paradise, and he held two fingers close together. We visited the new site where construction began for a new orphanage and school for boys and girls. But this is more than a building. It's a place where children can learn, heal, and grow in a safe and nurturing environment. By Allah's permission, this project will provide classrooms and living spaces, trained Afghan teachers, books, uniforms, clothing, and support for children in remote areas. Work started, progress was made, but due to limited funding and winter conditions, construction had to pause. And now we are ready to resume and continue building the future these children deserve. We should be grateful that we are safe from war and we have our children safe with us. And in that gratitude, we should return the thanks and give where Allah is most pleased. While construction has paused, the aid did not stop. During Ramadan, food packs, cash, household essentials are being distributed to widows and fatherless families. Hot meals are being prepared and served daily with care and quality, the same standard we would want for our own families. We also help children experience the joy of Eid through meals and gifts because every child deserves to smile. This is only the beginning, and remember, sincerity lies at the end of the action. We are obeying the message and fulfilling the command. When you watch these moments, remember, this is what your charity looks like. It looks like a child receiving food with both hands. It looks like a widow taking home support with dignity. It looks like families sitting together in Ramadan, sharing a meal they may not have had otherwise. For some of us, food is routine. For others, it is relief. For others, it is an answer to dua. This is the mercy of Allah delivered through people who chose to give. So to everyone who supported before, may Allah accept it from you. And to those who want to continue this work with us, please visit oney.net/Afghanistan. Support our 2026 campaign with a one-off donation or a monthly support, and sponsor a family or an orphan, and help us keep this mercy reaching those who need it most. From your brother Jalal ibn Sa'id and the Oney team, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.